Yeah, hello, my dear first year student. So, this is specially for you guys because nowadays in all the engineering college that engineering graphics that is been converted into computer aided engineering graphics as a lab or subject. Okay, so if it is an lab, so generally there will be like ViVa question, and many first year student face the problem with the ViVa question. What will be the ViVa question? Because it's an totally a practical session. So generally they don't know what type of question can be asked by the external examiner. Okay, so I have made some of the prepared question papers like unit wise or experiment wise, you can say, right? So you can go through these question and prepare for the answer, right? So if it is a computer aided engineering graphics lab or a AutoCAD, okay, generally we use the AutoCAD software to run this lab. So based on the AutoCAD, it may start with the software, right? Basically they start asking about the softwares and some of the shortcut comments. Okay, so what are the question can be asked during the viva? First question can be define what is AutoCAD, or what is an full form of CAD. So yeah, you can just simply say it's an a computer aided design software that uses to allow create some 2D diagram and 3D designs. Okay, we use the AutoCAD software. And what is the full form of CAD? It is computer aided design, full form of CAD. And there will be CAM. Again, anyhow, that is not relevant to this lab. So you just know about CAD and what is AutoCAD. That's it. Now, what are the uses of AutoCAD? So in AutoCAD, we used to design, okay, design a 2D or 3D model. Generally, for you, we are just dealing with the two-dimensional objects or two-dimensional design or construction, anything. And it can be having the option of creating the modeling software, means 3D design. And also we can create some documentation. Such things can be very useful for the AutoCAD. Okay, now what is the file format used in the AutoCAD? So file format means if you create some drawings in the AutoCAD, where the files will be stored. Okay, so by default, all the files format in the AutoCAD is will be DWG. It means drawing. DWG. Okay, which stands for drawing. So all these our 2D diagram, 3D diagrams, which will be designed, and the data it will be stored in the DWG format, that you should know. Okay, now coming to some shortcut commands. So what is, there may be number of shortcuts, right? As you all know and you have practice. So any shortcuts they can be: how to open the files, how to, what is the shortcut command used, and how to trim the what is the command for trimming, what is the command for pasting, what is the command for line, what is the command for erase, what is the command for circle, so many things. Okay, so what is the command for making ortho on, polar off, all these you have to prepare all the shortcut commands, right? After that, again coming to the introduction section, it starts with the different types of lines. And what is the line? What is the line? Line is a joining of 2 points, right? At the ends there will be 2 points, and if you have the a linear element, linear means a straight line, okay, is an a linear element, and you can say it is a one-dimensional element. Line is nothing but, right, just a line. Again there are different types of lines. Okay, like thick line is there, thin line is there, dash line is there, continuous line is there, axis lines are there, so many different lines, and projection line, reference line, dimension line, all any types, right? Now name the different measuring instruments used in computer aided engineering graphics lab. So measuring instruments, like if you have completed the drawing and you want to measure, we can just go through the scale or dimension tool. There we can easily measure that, or we can use the compass, and we can measure tri-square we can use. Okay, set square we can use. These are all the measuring instruments in practical or in general drafting technology, right? And what is dimension? Dimension is just a representation of size and shape. Okay, just it is a representation of size, not shape, right? Representation of the sizes, you can say, or representation of uh, the values. That is dimension. What are the types of dimension system? Okay, so here many confusion will be there. What is the types of dimension is different, and types of dimension system is different. So types of dimension, there may be many, like chain dimension will be there, progressive will be there, parallel dimension will be there. They are the different types. But coming to dimension system, there are only two systems. Okay, one is unidirectional system, another is the aligned system. Okay, I'm talking about system, unidirectional aligned system. Now there will be a question on what is aligned system. So aligned system is nothing but the values of the size which will be mentioned, that will be the above the dimension line, and it should be at the center. Okay, the values will be placed above the dimension line, and it should be at the center, and the observer will be from the bottom of the view, and also in the right side observer. Okay, whereas in the unidirectional system, where the values will be placed at the middle of the dimension line, not above or not below, it is exactly at the middle, means at the gap. Okay, and it should be center, and observer will be at the bottom only, not in the right side, right? So these are the two systems: aligned system, unidirectional system. Okay, anyhow, these are the just some ViVa question from the first unit. Again, I will cover in the second video about all the ViVas, which will be covered from second unit, third unit, fourth unit, and fifth unit also. Okay, second video it will cover everything. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, and please do supporting. Have a good day.